What's up, guys? I went ahead and purchased on eBay an entire box full of Atari games, Atari 2600 games, about 75 games. I just installed one in here, put one in to test it, which is Pacman. A lot of these are duplicates, but I think it's better to buy an entire lot and then later on sell off the duplicates than to just buy them individually. I guess you pretty much save. So this is Pacman. Let's go through these really quick. I think it's about 75 of them. Atari games. Got a few Pacmans here. Let's see. There's two Pacmans. Human Cannonball. So I got what I'm doing is let's say if I have a duplicate game, but I already have this game, so I'll try to pick out the best one, the best looking one out of the ones that I'm collecting, and keep the one that's best looking, and just get rid of the one that's not as great looking. The case or the label. Okay, Missile Command. Let's see what we got. Defender. I know there was a few Defenders because I looked. Sword Quest Fire World. Don't know what this is. I don't know. In the back says Rob Splice. Okay, this one doesn't seem like it's working. Probably gonna have to clean this one. So let's put this on the side right here. Got Word Zapper Combat. Okay, we have Night Driver. I'm not gonna have any space here. Space Journey. I know I have a few of these already. Asteroids. Okay, Journey Escape. Let me try to lay these out. Berserk. I believe I got Berserk already. Haunted House. Okay, let me try to clear out what I have here. Okay, so far I got this Pacman, right? It has RS in the back. I don't know if I'll be able to get that off. Okay, but compare that one to the Pacman that I have here. This is my Pacman here. See how the label looks? Kind of beat up. Okay. So I'm gonna put this on the side that I already got that one. But I'm gonna keep this one with the one with the RS in the back. This one looks pretty good. Let's make sure it works. Okay. Just gotta make sure that this Pacman works. Okay. Let's test this one. This one has like the back of the label is a little beat up here. I mean, I could glue it on. Okay, that works. So I'll put this one on the side because I don't need that. Okay, got another Night Driver. Night Driver. This label's all beat up there, and the back label's missing. I don't know if I might have this one. Let me see if I have Night Driver. I believe I have it. Let me take a little quick look here. I might have it. I'm not sure, but let's just go to the Berserk. Okay, that's two Berserks here. Alright. Demons to Diamonds. I know I got this one, but Donkey Kong. Let's see this one. This is football, real sports football. I'm not gonna have any space here. Pinball. I know I have this game. This pinball game. Okay, let me just Defender, another Defender game. That one's missing the back. This is 12 Teller games. This cartridge has like 12 games, I believe. Well, sort of, because sometimes they have games with different variations in it. Here goes another Pacman. The label's a little, it says Robert Seppel in the back. I don't know why it says that, but somebody's name. I'm going to take it off. Alright, so this one I'm going to put it on. Let me see if it works. Let me make sure it works. Pile them in. That works. Oh, the back is messed up too on this one. But I'm going to put that one there. Okay, what else we got here? We got Star Master. I know I believe I have this Star Master. Let's see how to compare it to the one that I have. Okay. I don't know, this one looks a little brighter. Kind of like the brighter looking one. This one looks a little darker. Let's see. This one says RS too, whoever RS was. This one's a little darker. I'll keep the lighter one. Because that one has RS in the back. So let's just bring this in here. This probably has to be cleaned out. At the time, these cartridges are just extremely dirty. I'll just put it on the side. What else we got here? Vanguard. This was a little messed up here on the sides. The sticker here. I know I have this Vanguard. Let me see. Yeah, I do have Vanguard. Yeah, I have Vanguard. Let's see if it works. Okay, there goes Vanguard right there. Works. This one on the side there. Have that. Defender, another Defender right here. How many Defenders do I have here? Let's pull this to the side. Alright. Alright, this is my Defender that I have. Some comparison to... Oh, this sticker in the front looks way better than this sticker in the back. But it's missing the sticker in the back there. This one looks better than the one in the back here. So, got a choice. I could probably remove that sticker and move it to the front on this one. That's a possibility. But I could probably do that. But anyway, let's move on. Space Invaders. What else we got here? Breakout. It's gonna get too full over here. Air Sea Battle. I believe I got this. I'm not sure. I don't know. Okay, Space Invaders here. That's another Space Invaders. Okay. What else we got here? Circus Atari. Tic-tac, 3D tic-tac-toe. Warlords. Centipede. Phoenix. Another Pacman here. The sticker looks pretty good, but the back sticker is missing. Okay, Phoenix. I think I have Phoenix. And I also have, there was another Donkey Kong here. There's two Donkey Kongs. River Raid. I probably have this one. I don't know. No, I don't have River Raid. So, I don't have River Raid. Oh, these games I'm gonna have to clean all these games, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Here goes another combat game. Where did I put the combat? Laser Blast. I believe I have this one too. Possibly. But this is another one of those Activision games. River Raid. Let's just put it right next to River, on top of River Raid. Kangaroo. Getting too full over here. What we got here? Here goes another River Raid. Alright. Two River Raids. These are blast. What we got? What else we got? Space Jockey. We have two of these here. I believe I have three of these. I actually have another one. Asteroids. Another Asteroids. Put it here. Laser Blast. This one looks really good here. So I'm gonna pick one of those. Laser Blast. Another Asteroids. Another game, mystery game. I don't know what this is. Looks dirty. All these games gotta be cleaned. I have to actually check all of these out. Let's put the Star Master here. Atlantis. Boxing. Another Activision game. I don't think I have this one. Put it there. Super Breakout. Miss Pacman. Okay. What else we got here? Another video Pinball. Where did I? Oh, right here. This one, the sticker looks really good here. Okay. Real Sports Baseball. The other one was Real Sports Football. Three more. Got another. I got Demon Attack. Demon Attack. And what's this? Galaxian. And Maze Craze. So those are all the games that I just got in. So now I'm just going to pick out the best ones and swap out the worst ones out of my collection, you know, and clean these out. You know, that's what I'm gonna do here with the best labels and stuff. So the other ones I'm just gonna sell those for whoever needs those, and that's pretty much it. You know, I'm trying to build a 2600 collection, and you know, also NES games. I'm also collecting Nintendo DS, Nintendo 3DS, Atari computer games. I got two more Atari STs coming in. They're not working, I believe, so those I'm gonna end up fixing those. And the other Atari ST that I wasn't able to use this monitor because you need the monitor for it. I got something coming for that, so I have to wait on that. And I got a few other things too. So I'm trying to build some collections here, some retro game collections. So now I'm gonna just end up going through all these games and cleaning out some of the games, which I'm not gonna do on camera. A little time consuming. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.